Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Definitely make sure that you go ahead, hit subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and be involved in my weekly Cash App videos. Let me know if you also would be interested in seeing some more Robinhood videos. I've only did a few, but if you guys are interested, then I'll definitely start incorporating them a bit more. Also, make sure that you check out my link down below where you can get some money to get your Cash App started. All the information is in the description area. And check out my business, which is empresslooks.com, where I have some posh hair accessory clips. Support your girl and keep this channel up and running, okay? All right. And I do super appreciate all of you guys that I have been seeing sharing my videos, because I have been seeing in my analytics that you guys have really been sharing. And I also see a lot of comments, even though some are spam comments. It's all good. And I do appreciate you guys for that. So now let's get into this week's episode of our Cash App weekly updates. So let's see what we're looking at now. So it looks like we have $46.05 gain. So we're still in the positives. But let me tell you guys, the market, from what I've been hearing, I haven't looked at my Cash App this week at all so far until right now. But I've been hearing from like different sources that the market is crazy. Some people are saying that it may crash because of everything that's going on right now. So I don't know. I'm definitely looking and seeing what's going on, but yeah, definitely be careful, guys. I don't really know how much more, if any, I'm going to really invest right now, because as we see, there is somewhat of a down trend going on. And it's definitely keeps on going down so far. So that's never good to see, as you see there. So now let's go ahead and see what we are doing okay on. Looks like AMC. I know someone had asked me about AMC recently. I think they said they were in the negatives, or they weren't doing well, or something along those lines. The thing is, it depends on when you actually jumped in. So if you jumped in when the prices were fairly low, then you will be still in the gains. If you got in when, let's say, what is it at now? It's at $29.84. So if you got in when it was at 20 something dollars, then you might not be in the gains anymore, if that kind of makes sense. So then you would actually be losing money depending on when you jumped in there. Like, let's say if I was to jump in right now at $29.84, and tomorrow it was to hit $28 as far as the share price, then I would be losing money automatically, which is what I'll tell you, or I did tell you guys, that happened with me and Krispy Kreme and Oatly. I got in when I saw that it was low, so I'm like, all right, let me give it a shot. But now it's going lower, so it kind of played me out. But we're not up to that yet. Just kind of wanted to give you an example and kind of explain that and show you how it is that I'm still making some money, even though right now it's down $11.16. But I still have $73 as far as what I have for AMC, as far as my shares. But, and I gained a total of $48.48. I've invested $24.53. So that's just kind of how, just a quick and simple breakdown of my understanding and what I've figured out so far since I've been doing this. So with Moderna, we are up some. Moderna is still doing well. The WHO acts to hold off COVID-19 vaccine booster shots. I know some people were trying to get them. Some countries are already doing it. So I guess that's kind of helping them. J&J COVID vaccine recipients can get supplemental Pfizer. So, I guess if you got J&J, now they're giving you the opportunity to get Pfizer or Moderna. That's interesting. Biden to make flesh free for unvaccinated to get their shots. So, they've been giving money and stuff like that. So that could be part of the incentive, that $100 that might have been an incentive that might have also helped to raise Moderna stocks or Moderna shares up. Xpeng, they are okay, so they're still going up compared to last week, so that is great. I've gained $9.89. Li Auto still doing okay. They have went down a little bit since Monday, but they're still better than last week, so that's awesome. And Terra Resources, Enphase Energy, Figs, Ford, Tesla, American Airlines. We got Apple, Nokia, Domino's, General Motors, the Cheesecake Factory, JetBlue Airways. So once we get into the Cheesecake Factory, that's where we start losing money. So the Cheesecake Factory right now, we're down 2 cents. So I don't know. Honestly, I'm not that passionate about the Cheesecake Factory, so and I haven't put that much money into them. I might sell them. We'll see. We'll see how it's doing tomorrow, and then maybe I'll decide if that's what I want to do. JetBlue Airways, negative 40 cents. We got Tilray, negative 46. Oh, man. I should have took Tilray out last week when we were still in the positives, because now we've hit the negative zone. But it's all right. It's YOLO at this point, because I don't care that much. How much did I invest? $20.99. So it's not a super crazy amount of money, but of course I would like to see that come back to the positives. Plug Power down 59 cents. Hayes brand, Krispy Kreme, Hexo down $3.44. Dang. It just keeps on going down for them. That definitely sucks a little bit. That's another cannabis. Literally all the cannabis are still down. They haven't recovered over the last few months. I think they've been down since maybe February. They've been down for quite some time now. I definitely had assumed that they would probably be up by this time, but nope. Even with all the new legislatures and bills and stuff and making it legal, nah, it's not doing well at all. Oatly, there's another one that's going down, and they recently just started actually, so that was a little bit of a surpriser for me. But it is what it is. At the end of the day, like I always say, these things are a gamble, so you never know what way they're gonna go. This one is starting to go up, so oh wait, no, is it? 1 week it's went up, so it is rising. So it's at $12.49. This one, dang, I haven't lost anything. I always gotta put that in my head, like you haven't lost anything until you say, all right, I'm gonna take this money out. That's when it's called a loss. Right now, if I were to take this out, I lost $35 of my $54 that I put in. So yeah, we're still gonna leave that and just hope for the best, I guess. Let's just take a quick look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is going back up, but it's not all the way up, you know what I mean? Like it's there. But that's that, you guys. Quick and simple. So we're not doing all that well this week, but hopefully, things come back. But hopefully what people are predicting is not true, because if that's the case, that's going to really suck for a lot of people if the market crashes, or, if it takes a dangerous turn. I mean, for me, it's not a huge loss, you know what I mean? Even though I could do a lot with $518. It don't even seem like it's that much money, to be honest. That I've invested or that I have in here, but it definitely is once you break everything down, which is crazy. So like once you sort by total investment value. Then you start seeing the actual numbers and you start seeing like how it equates to that much money. But you know me and my filters. But once again, thank you so much, everybody, for your support. You've definitely allowed me to keep these videos coming because I see that you're super interested and you've been engaged with them. So it means a lot to me, and I will see you guys on next week. All right. Thanks so much. Bye-bye for now.